Welcome back, guys, to Living Life with Us. Today, we are going to be doing a mystery nugget challenge. Okay? I know it's been a minute. We back, you know what I'm saying, with all of this crazy quarantine going on, you know what I'm saying? We've been laying low, just chilling. We hope all of y'all are out there being safe, trying to stay home, you know what I'm saying? Hope all is well, everyone's in good health. And also, we have plenty of videos dropping for y'all, so you don't have to worry about the delay anymore. We here, we good, we back. Now, before we do that, y'all know what y'all gotta do. You gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Duh. Hit that notification bell so y'all know every time we drop a dope video. How about you do the intro then? Oh, it's interrupting my intro. Hit that notification bell so y'all know every time we drop a dope video. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for all our new subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to Living Life family. Love, we appreciate y'all. Thanks for rocking out with us. Truly appreciate our work. We truly appreciate y'all.
Alright, y'all, we back right now. So we got to do rock, paper, scissors, and see, you know,
who's gonna pick whose bags first.
Alright, so ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
Alright. Alright, so I go first. So what I gotta do, close my eyes or?
No.
Okay, alright.
I'll give you number 4.
I already know that. Oh, so I gotta choose, right? Okay.
What are you doing? Already, you cheating.
Oh, God.
Oh, wait, turn it around. Come on,
Oh.
turn it this way. The numbers is upside down. Oh. Okay. Pass me this one. I said the first one. Look at you. That was for you. What? This number 5 for you.
Okay.
For you. You not get it. Get off the bag. What is wrong with you? Oh my gosh. Here.
Oh man. Okay, you got it.
That's yours. Now give me mine. These are mine. Alright. Then cheated. Y'all see?
I already know what you get.
I got a question.
What?
Where's the nuggets?
Alright, y'all, hold on. I'll be right back. Oh, man.
Alright, y'all, we back. We had a technical difficulty.
Oh,
knock my bun out. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so you have to pick a number for me, and I'll pick a number for you.
Alright.
So rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, say shoot.
So do me anyway? Okay, we one of these?
No, pick one of my numbers.
Alright, so I'm gonna
I have 1, 2, 7, and 8.
Alright, I'm gonna start with the highest. I'm gonna choose 8.
Okay, I got number 8, y'all. So let's see what that is. Oh!
It might not be a bad combination though.
Chicken nuggets with honey?
Chicken nuggets there.
I mean, I do like honey. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be. Oh my goodness. Are y'all seeing this? Look. Ah!
That's it.
That's really bad.
That's it.
I might have a new combination. That's good. Chicken nuggets and honey. Ooh. I can't wait to see what you're gonna get. Alright. My turn picking up for you. You have 5, 6, 4, and 3. 4. I picked number 4 for you.
Number 4?
Yes. Soy sauce, baby. Soy sauce. So you gotta put soy sauce on your nuggets. Don't put no little drop.
That's it.
No, put more and show them.
Right.
Don't be scared. Yeah.
That's good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
We some weird humans.
Very good.
Think so?
Mm-hmm.
Soy sauce
Yeah.
with chicken nuggets.
Mm-hmm.
Well, these must be some magical chicken nuggets. So far, everything tasting good with it. Oh, that's soy sauce. All right. You gotta pick one for me now. I have 1, 7, and 2.
3. Not doing that. Okay, 2.
2?
Mm-hmm. Okay, wait. Alright, so this is what you have to do.
What?
You have to put some of the juice on there and put a jalapeno at the top. And then bite it. Then eat it.
You mean like dip it in the juice and then put a jalapeno?
Then the juice and then put a jalapeno on the top, yeah, and then eat it.
That's
what you have to do.
jalapenos, y'all. Oh my god, this is gonna be so freaking nasty.
Wait, hold on. Do it right here so they can see. Go ahead.
They can see.
Nah, they can't see. Go ahead.
I ain't janky like you.
Do it right
You
here,
doing
come on.
that? Why y'all put it close by you?
Nah,
Put it right
do
here. They can see.
They can't see because
Jalapeno
dip it in there. Right.
is dipped.
Pause.
Oh,
No, all the way.
it is.
Is that? What happened? I said before, y'all already know. Oh, man.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that was nasty. That was so soggy.
It was? Sorry.
Yeah.
Was it spicy? Nah, right.
They do. What is wrong with you?
I thought I had that, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so it's my turn now. So you
Number
gotta choose
6. Oh. And I got my soda. You got peanut butter in a nugget. Ooh, I wonder how that's gonna taste. Ugh.
Oh man, it fell.
That ain't enough.
Okay.
Use your finger and scoop it out.
Oh god. Alright.
No, you gotta eat the whole thing.
Oh. Yeah, real good. It's actually good. Mm-hmm.
Peanut butter and nugget.
Mm-hmm. Try one. Hold
Hold up. Why is everything tasting good for you? It was going okay for me. That's why your hands is full of peanut butter.
Don't win this challenge, y'all already know.
I hope a swarm of ants come and surround your finger. How about that? Pick one. I have 7 and 1.
Great.
Stop picking from your angle.
7.
What is wrong with you? Oh gosh. I got.
I see hair on there, huh?
What? I got whipped cream, y'all.
I love some of
Your hands is covered in peanut butter. Let me tell you one time, your mama watched it. Move your hands so you can see.
Yeah, bro.
Chicken nugget with cream. Yeah.
Probably ain't a bad combination.
Damn, y'all see that?
Oh, God.
Oh. Oh.
What is that?
No.
How you gonna do that?
No. Stop. Oh.
Oh. Oh, okay, really. Sorry.
Get with it, hey. Get with it, hey.
Alright. Alright. Oh. See, I started out like, now I'm a violator. see, once again. See, I wasn't gonna violate on it. See, I was trying to keep quiet. I know you gotta say I was trying to keep my cool now. Now I'm about to violate that.
Wait, but how you gonna violate? You still got whipped cream on your beard.
Oh, man. Really?
Oh my gosh. Let me see. Here's one thing.
Oh my God. Alright, y'all.
Alright. I think we're
On to the next
This
round.
is more, man. Alright, so we turn it to mine?
Mine.
Okay.
Number 5.
Oh my.
Yeah,
Alright,
baby.
so I got a chocolate
Yeah,
syrup,
baby.
Alright. Oh my God.
Gotta have fun.
Alright, oh
We
yeah.
gotta have fun. Oh my gosh. Show it. Oh, show it. That kind of look good.
Mm-hmm.
That kind of look
Still
good.
got peanut butter on my mouth, man.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
No, eat the whole thing.
Not bad.
What these freaking combinations? That's not bad.
Nah.
Okay. Ready? Wait. Okay. She says not bad. Last one for me. Number 1. Dude. Horseradish? I ain't never eaten this a day in my life.
Me too. Wow.
You want to switch?
Nah.
I never ate this a day in my life. What it tastes like? Is it like mayonnaise?
I never had that. It look like it though.
Is it like relish?
It look like mayonnaise. I don't know.
Ooh, horseradish tastes like y'all.
What y'all
Please
let
feel
us
free to
know.
tell me. It says great on beef. Oh my gosh. No, I got it. Leave it alone.
With
Mayonnaise.
Nah, more.
And it stinks. Ooh.
Yeah, this one, man, yeah. It do.
Kind of smell like tartar sauce a little bit too.
Taste and see.
Screw, I'm gonna take for the team. Now I'm saying team messes what's up.
That.
Oh!
Yeah, man.
It tastes like wasabi. Oh my god.
Oh my God!
It tastes like wasabi.
Oh man.
Hey, put some on your finger. I swear to take that wasabi sauce. Right? Is that an ingredient?
They do. They do.
We got 3 nuggets left. Alright.
3 nuggets left. It's the last one. Got
We
one
are-
more bag left.
You do?
Yep.
No.
Yeah, got one
What happened to mine then?
more. I don't know. Alright, hold on. Alright, this is the cake right now. We're gonna put, since it's the last bag, we got 3 nuggets left.
No, because after this you want to have 2. There's going to be 2 nuggets left, so that's going to be the bonus round.
Nope.
You get to pick something of your choice, like to pick something of mine.
Okay, alright. Alright, so, alright, let's show y'all what I got right now. Alright, bet. Alright. Y'all already know the famous 2-time sauce right here. So,
Oh, feel it. Feel it.
so
feel
my
it.
God.
Nah. Show him.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all see that right there. Alright, right?
Yes.
Oh man. Oh man.
What happened?
Oh no.
What happened? Huh?
It went down the wrong part.
You were talking all that yang. So, oh, you got me, all that stuff, and now what's up? Say something.
Oh my god. Wow.
What was that? I didn't think so. Happy wife is a happy life.
Oh my. Wow.
Was him?
No.
You weren't getting it anyway. Burn, baby, burn.
I can't even talk.
Ooh, that should be a challenge.
Wow.
2-time spicy chicken nuggets. Who can eat 22-time spicy chicken nuggets in under 10 minutes?
I can't talk. Alright, so
Let us know what y'all think about that.
Mm.
2-time spicy chicken nuggets. 22-time spicy chicken nuggets in under 10 minutes. If y'all think we should do that, drop it down below. Until then, let's get to this bonus round.
Alright y'all, this is the bonus round, y'all already know. So, like we said before, we both chose 2 things that, you know, we're not supposed to tell each other, right? How this work?
So, basically, it's going to be the same way that we've been doing it. You guys get whatever's in my bag, I get whatever's in your bag. And which I don't look forward to because I know you about to seriously violate, especially since you gave me a man-made bib. I know it's going to be something
No, it's
bizarre.
not.
Yes, it is. Why else I gotta have a napkin tucked in me and one in my lap?
Same way.
Get up the bag.
Oh
We
God.
go rock, paper, scissors, who go first?
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, say.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, say. Rock, paper, scissors, say.
I don't get it though. How this work?
No, ladies first.
Alright, go ahead, ladies.
At this point, you know what I'm saying? Y'all should have liked, comment, and subscribe. Let us know who y'all think won this round. Was it the Mr.? Was it the Mrs.?
You already know.
You
man.
feel free to, let us know. Because like I said, and pray for me. Because I know that he's going to do something strange.
I ain't got
So look for the
nothing.
change.
I can see it. Oh man, alright. So ladies first, so I gotta go first or you? You go first, tell me.
No,
show me
I'll
what
go first. Ladies
you
first. Close your eyes.
got. You just said not to close
No,
your eyes.
close your eyes. Move your hand, but close your eyes.
Okay, that's it.
Mommy!
What's wrong with you?
Nah, move forward.
Bull crap.
Mommy!
Done?
I already know you looking, so open up your eyes.
I'm not looking.
Yes, you are. Open up
I
your
don't know
eyes.
what you have.
Open your eyes.
Oh my. Oh God.
Open up, dear.
What the hell, man? Alright, very cool. Oh, I can't. Oh man, alright, take
Tommy,
two more.
all of your chicken nuggets.
Okay.
Eat it.
Cold.
Eat the whole thing. You feeling all right? Some water? You ain't even eat the chicken nuggets, so you forfeit.
No.
You threw it up. You threw it up.
Alright, y'all, hold up.
Your face turned around.
Alright, y'all. My turn now.
You want water?
Nah, I'm good. I'm good. Oh man. Oh god.
This whole thing just went left. Well, that was my bonus, so
Oh man. Alright.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Alright, so close your eyes. My turn now. Okay. Oh man. Don't open it yet. Oh man. I used to open it yet.
I didn't open it. I'm trying to go by my other senses.
Oh man, hold on. Don't open it yet. What?
I already know what it is.
David.
It's that damn dust.
So it's not.
It is.
Oh man.
I bet you it's a silver one this time. Just screw up my clothes, I don't you?
Alright, open it. You ready?
No. Let me see.
Are you ready?
Let me see.
Are you ready? Oh, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open up your eyes. I mean, what's that? Open up your mouth. Go ahead. Ready? Come on. Close your eyes. Open up your mouth. Say cheese.
Mama.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Oh God, I can't talk.
Really?
I can't talk. Oh man.
Oh my gosh. Come on, I'm gonna get poisoned.
Alright, y'all, be back right now. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all already know, man. If y'all didn't check out our last video that we dropped like about 8-9 days ago.
Yep.
Y'all check it out.
Smack. Correct.
Yeah, man, we're gonna try to get y'all part 2 to that. So
Oh yeah.
man.
If y'all think I was something always just getting warmed up.
Yeah.
Like you said, part 2 is gonna be out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm really gonna be smacking for real this time.
I already got my game plan, so you ain't going. What's the name? I'm gonna start out as I said. I'm gonna start out like I'm going to the Silver Cousins. But yeah, man, y'all already know, man.
We hope y'all enjoyed this video. You know what I'm saying? This little something make y'all laugh. You know what I'm saying? Go through the playlist. We got plenty of videos that's entertaining. That's gonna make y'all laugh, uplift y'all. And it's, like I said, crazy time, y'all. Like I said, we hope everybody is safe. Stay blessed. Keep rocking with the Living Life family. And until then, we out. Peace.